This is Mexico's most iconic sport, Lucha Libre, or free wrestling. It draws massive standing room-only crowds. But since the pandemic hit, all the arenas, gyms, and bull rings are closed, and so unemployed fighters like OCTAGON are wrestling just to survive.
We thought this was going to last 3 or 4 weeks, but it's been almost 4 months. We have to keep going. We have to look for ways to learn to live with this pandemic. But how?
One group of professional fighters think they have the answer. They've taken their spectacle to Xochimilco, on the outskirts of Mexico City. They invited the media to see how they can revive the sport outdoors. Xochimilco, a system of floating gardens and canals, is nicknamed the Mexican Venice and has just been reopened to tourists.
When the pandemic started, we decided to innovate and do this outdoors. So we had the floating gardens, we had the ring, we had everything, and we said, why not?
They're taking the typical precautions for spectators. Although the fighters clearly need to remain close up and personal, they say that outdoors it's safer than inside of a normal venue. But already there's a problem.
Right now it's raining a lot and everything is getting wet, so it's going to deteriorate very quickly. What we want is for the ring to be roofed, to build some small stands, to adapt displays so that it becomes a tourist attraction.
There's no doubt about their enthusiasm, nor their need to get back to work. But in the country with the region's highest COVID-19 mortality rate per million infections, bringing back the crowds may be their biggest battle yet. Lucia, Newman, Al Jazeera.